How to delete your watch history on Instagram on Android. This tutorial shows you how to clear out your viewing activity quickly and easily. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on the three lines at the top right to go to Settings. At this stage, tap on Your Activity. Following this, scroll down and tap on Watch History. From there, it opens the full list of videos and reels you've watched. At this stage, tap on the Filter or Select option to choose the activity you want to delete. Following this, tap on Remove to delete the selected watch history from your account. From here, if you want to clear everything at once, look for the Select All option at the top if available, and/or follow the same process for each video there. Here's an important note. Deleting your watch history on Instagram helps reset your recommendations. After clearing it, Instagram will start showing you fresh content based on your new activity going forward. And that's it. If this guide helped you delete your watch history on Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.